Good morning, shining stars of grade 5. I welcome you all to your science class today. This is the second lesson in week 5. At the end of the last lesson, I sent you 2 worksheets to be completed. I also conducted a quiz during class. I hope all of you have completed your worksheets. Today I want to start our new unit. It is taken from part 1 of your textbook, with the title, Ourselves. The name of the unit is Brain and Nerves. In today's lesson, I will explain the human brain, its main parts and the functions of all these parts. Let's start today's lesson with a brief introduction. Our sense organs help us to collect information from our surroundings. We can notice any change which happens around us. How can we differentiate between different tastes, scents, images and sounds? Brain, with the help of the nervous system, detects the world around us. The brain is an organ that is pinkish gray in color. It has a shape just like a walnut, with many creases and folds. In size, our brain is much bigger than a walnut. It feels soft and squishy if touched. The brain is called the control center of our body, as it controls all the activities. The average weight of the human brain is about 1,200 to 1,400 grams. It is located inside the head, at the top of the spinal cord, protected by a bony structure called skull. The brain needs oxygen, food and proper sleep to function properly. It is made up of trillions of special cells, called neurons. About 100 billion neurons make up the brain. These neurons are linked together to control all the body's activities. Now I will tell you about the main parts of the human brain. Our brain is divided into 3 main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The medulla is also called the brain stem. You can see these parts labeled in the given picture. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is vertically divided into 2 equal halves. Right half controls the left side of the body and the left half controls the right side of the body. Scientists only discovered this when they found that people who had injured one side of the brain lost control of parts on the opposite side. The cerebrum controls the voluntary actions of the body. Voluntary actions are those actions which are consciously performed by our body. The voluntary actions controlled by cerebrum are thinking, reading, feeling, listening, seeing, taste, smell, feeling the texture of things and remembering things. The second part of the brain is called the cerebellum. It is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. It also controls voluntary actions. The voluntary actions controlled by the cerebellum are balance of the body, movement of muscles and joints, running, walking and jumping. The lowest part of the brain is called medulla or brain stem. It connects our brain to the spinal cord. The amazing thing about medulla is that it keeps working even when we are asleep. It controls involuntary actions. Involuntary actions are the actions that we are not aware of. Medulla or brain stem regulates our breathing rate, swallowing of food, digestion, blood pressure, and heart rate. All these functions happen in our body without our awareness. Now I will guide you about the written work. See your textbook page number 10. You have to write a detailed answer to exercise question number 7, part 5. The question is, name the parts of the brain. What is the function of each part? For the answer, you can take help from this video or your textbook. Write about each part and its functions in detail. Also, draw the labeled diagram of the human brain given on slide number 7. If you have any confusion, do not hesitate to seek help from your teacher. Let's go through the homework now. Please write a detailed answer to the given long question in your notebooks. complete the worksheet which will be sent with this video. Watch this video again, and learn the functions of all the parts of the human brain. This is all about our amazing brain. I hope you have learned something new today. I will see you next week. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.